Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. We are dropping down, like on Doge, on Bitcoin, basically everything. I still think that Doge still has a ways to go. I do think Doge is going down to 25 cents. I have a buy order of about $5,000 at like 0.249 to see if it rebounds. I don't think it's gonna rebound. I think it might actually keep going down, but we'll see because we don't know for sure. And then I also have another buy order on Bitcoin at 26.5, I think, for like 10,000 bucks. And then I'll probably keep buying if Bitcoin drops like $5,000 or so. But yeah, so far right now on the day, Doggy's lowest today has been 28 cents, but I do think it's going to keep going lower, and I do think it's going to retest, what is it called? I think it's going to retest May 18th low of around 24, 25 cents. And to be honest, it might actually keep going lower. So at this rate, we'll see what happens today, all of Sunday. And then I think next Sunday is probably going to be, next weekend really, is going to be a big decisive factors, as well as how steady overall crypto market kind of stays around this area. Because again, there's a solid chance that Bitcoin drops to 25 cents. Like again, I do think we're headed that way. But if we do break that 25 cents, there's no stop resistance, guys. So if that does break, we're going all the way back down to 5 cents.